Sending money from Wells Fargo to Cash App is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can send money from Wells Fargo to Cash App. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, what you have to do is you simply have to open up your Cash App. Now, after opening up your Cash App, you simply have to tap on your cash and then you have to tap on Add Cash. And then you have to select the amount of money and then tap on Add. And afterwards, what it will do is it will ask you how you want to add cash, if you want to add it using debit/credit card, or if you want to add using a bank account. You just have to bank account as an option, and then you have to select Wells Fargo as a bank, and you can easily link your Wells Fargo bank to your Cash App. Once it is linked, you don't have to do anything. You just have to do the same thing. Tap on cash, add cash, select amount, tap on add, and there you go. You just have to, enter your PIN to confirm adding the cash, and it will automatically be added from Wells Fargo to your Cash App. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.